Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have a slight theory for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses far southeastern Arkansas, central Mississippi, central Alabama, central Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. We have two marginal theories for tomorrow as well. One margin which covers far southeastern Kansas, east central Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, far southwestern Missouri, northeastern Louisiana, the very far extreme southwestern corner of Tennessee, northern and southern Mississippi, northern and southern Alabama, northern and southern Georgia, northern Florida, northwestern South Carolina, most of North Carolina, the eastern half of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, most of New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania, which includes my area. Going over here with a margin risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses east central Montana, southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, far northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. The tornado threat for tomorrow is less than 2% in all areas, so there is no tornado threat tomorrow from the Storm Prediction Center, which is good news, but it could change considering this is the Day 2 outlook, which is for tomorrow, so it could be updated. But as of right now, there is no tornado threat. There is no tornado threat for tomorrow as of right now. Going to the wind threat now, we have a 15% shaky damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that covers far southeastern Arkansas, central Mississippi, central Alabama, central Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. Now we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. We have one that covers far southeastern Kansas, east central Oklahoma, far southwestern Missouri, most of Arkansas, the far southwestern corner of Tennessee, northeastern Louisiana, northern and southern Mississippi, northern and southern Alabama, northern and southern Georgia, northern Florida, northwestern South Carolina, most of North Carolina, the eastern half of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, most of New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania, which includes my area. Another area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher tomorrow covers parts of east central Montana, far southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, far northwestern Kansas, and northeastern Colorado. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That covers far southeastern Arkansas, central Mississippi, and central Alabama. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One that covers far southeastern Kansas, far southwestern Missouri, east central Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, the far southwestern corner of Tennessee, northern and southern Mississippi, most of Alabama, most of Georgia, northern Florida, most of South Carolina, most of North Carolina, and southeastern Virginia. Now another area where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covers, the one just updated on me, but another area where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covers parts of east central Montana, far southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and far northwestern Kansas. Now going to the summary for tomorrow. Scattered strong thunderstorms associated with a severe threat will be possible on Sunday from the Mid-Atlantic and Carolinas westward into the southeast. and in parts of the central and northern plains. So that's all I got for today. And there's a severe threat today, but I'm not gonna go over that. I'm not gonna go over the day one outlook in this video because I did the day one outlook in the previous video. Check out the previous video for the day one outlook, but this one's the day two outlook video. So stay safe in the affected areas for today and tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.